People stretch sometimes, I want them to see their face. That helps me see exactly, did they do it where they're uncomfortable or just to where it feels like, okay. So I had her do this one where you take the broomstick here or whatever you have at home, whatever stick you have, come all the way back, then all the way forward. Simple, right? If you do it every day. I keep one in my pantry in the morning when I stretch at least 5 to 10 times. So what you can do is come all the way back, elbow straight the whole time, and then all the way forward. So from the side view too. The band, but you said the key word. You said the key word though. The band is easier. Yes. I don't want easy, I want hard. Here, elbow straight the whole time. Then come all the way down. All the way back. Coming up, have you tried this? Let's see, try this. Let's see. That's okay.
I'm trying to because of my stroke. Sometimes
That's okay, it's okay, come on up. I'll show you something. I'll show you how to do it. So what I want to do is where you're comfortable, just come back as far as you can, then come back this way. All right, so hold that with your left hand, with your right, and go as far as you can. We'll go right here. I want to show you with the stroke. Actually, go wider on the edge. There we go. There we go, right there. You're good. And then bring this thumb over across. Oh, here we go. Bring the thumb underneath. Good, like that. Perfect. Yep, and bring this thumb one here. Good thumb under. There we go. There you go. You got it. And all the way back. Right there. Whoa, how's her face? Yeah, right, yeah. All the way forward.
the house I'll do.
Yeah, of course. And also,
Good.
there you go, see? Good. This is it, good. Thank you, Salamat po.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I know. I'm half Filipino, so I know a couple words. I know all the foods, but